Hey guys, welcome back. It's Joey again. You're watching Vegas D-Tech. I'm out here with Maria.
Hi guys, welcome back.
It's a windy one out here, guys. I hope the audio is not too terrible. I got the little wind muff on here, so it's the best that I can do. But yeah, I decided to come back out here today to Hoover Dam to actually take a look and see. Our water's up 9.7 feet, and I wanted to come out here with you guys and take a look over this wall and look down here and see if we can actually see any of that water rise. So let's get on down here and see if we can see anything new. All right, let's go. So guys, if you come up to Hoover Dam and you come up to the right behind me is going to be the souvenir snack shop. There's going to be an overlook over here, and I like to point this thing out, but right behind me at the overlook here, there's going to be a gun emplacement over the top for the war. A lot of people don't know that it's up there, but it was built to protect the dam from bombers coming in and possibly throwing dum-dum bombs up against the dam. And if you don't notice, when you come up here to the lookout point, just have a look up at the very, very top, and you'll see it sitting right up here at the very top. Yeah guys, I would love to bring the bird out here and get you a bird's eye perspective, but as you can see, not allowed at the dam, so you got to have special permission, which I don't have, and they don't allow it anyways. Yeah guys, so we're back out here at Hoover Dam, and the water level today, guys, is 1,049.74 feet. And have a look over here, guys. Now, me personally, I can't tell 10 feet of water rise, but it does look like along the walls over here, well, it was visible, and it's just starting to get invisible. It has that green little tinge around it. So I don't know exactly where they measure the 10 foot of water raise, okay, or 9.74. It's got to be around here at the dam. I'm pretty sure that's where they actually measure it, and this is how it looks. All right guys, so last summer there was a plate that was down here that it looked to be probably within 1 foot to 2 feet out of close to being to the surface. This was last summer, and then I'm looking back at it again. I'm going to zoom you back down there, and it looks like it, from where I'm standing, it looks like that guy is probably underneath a good 5 to 7 feet of water from where I'm at right here. So you could definitely see the water level has come up some. So guys, just to let you know, if you come up here to the Hoover Dam, if you come over to the Arizona side, parking is free. Okay, you can literally just park your car here and just walk over to the dam. However, if you want to park over on the Nevada side, you're going to have to pay at least $10 to park over at the parking structure. If you walk from here down to the dam and back, you're probably going to be putting in a good half a mile hike. It doesn't look very far, from when you're looking at it from the camera, but to actually walk all the way down there with all the swivels, yeah, you're going to be putting in a good little half a mile huff and puff. Just to let you know. Well, we were on the Arizona side, which was free, but Maria wanted to come over here and get some photos done, so we had to come over to the Nevada side. This is where you'll pay the $10 to come into the parking structure on this side over here. I'm noticing that they're doing a whole bunch of construction out here lately. I guess with the more, more people are coming to Vegas, more people are visiting. It just, the infrastructure just wasn't good enough the way it was before. But yeah, I've been planning to see a whole bunch of this stuff. Fences all over the place. And new escalators. They're building new escalators to get us down further. And it looks like they're remodeling the visitor center as well. So we're gonna go ahead and pop in here to the Nevada Spillway access. We're gonna take a look and see if we can find anything new and interesting looking on this side. So guys, we're on the Nevada Spillway side, and you can take a look behind me here. This is the intake. One of the intake towers of 2. And at one point in time, all of this water was all the way up to the very top of this walkway right here. Now I'm very curious because the water reports indicate that we should be seeing 33 feet of water gain this year. Okay, not to include the 20 feet that they said that we were supposed to lose, but 33 feet. And if we do get that 33 feet, then that water should come up, probably up another 5 rings on this right here from the bottom. 5 rings from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, somewhere up into that area right there. Alrighty guys, so I'm on the Nevada Spillway side. There's like nobody back here. I'm not even sure I'm supposed to be back here, but I didn't see no sign saying that we couldn't. All I see is this thing saying restricted, no admittance. Okay, I understand that, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a shot here. This is the Nevada Spillway side here, guys. Take a look. Right, this is where I told you that platform broke and it went down into the water. So there you have it right here. Take a look. And you can see right down here where the actual water is coming up and touching that broken part of the bridge. And that was the platform. And this was up above. This was up above the water line at least 30 feet. It looked like it was a 30-foot ledge last time I came out here. And look at where all that water has come close up to it. Now check it out, guys. Right behind me, right, this is the Nevada Spillway. Wait till I show you the enormity of what this thing looks up close. This is crazy. I hope this camera is able to pick up the incredible view that I'm about to give you. So check this out. So the water will come up here to this. And these are gates. These gates can open and close to keep back water. And like I said, I haven't seen water come up over here since the 80s. So take a look at this, right? So the water comes up and spills over the spillway, and it comes rushing down this ramp. Now watch where this thing goes. All the way down there into that deep, dark tunnel. And where does that water go? That water will flow down to the bottom of the dam, right there. And the whole time that I've been coming out to the dam, I have never come out to this side. There's absolutely nobody out here, just me and Maria, which is crazy because it is like super infested tourists just right around the corner. So I don't know if I'm supposed to be here or not, but I'm back here playing dumb. Hope you guys enjoy the view. And guys, from right here, there's that gun emplacement right up there above on the Arizona side. You guys can see. I was trying to get you in just a little bit tighter where you can catch that. Right there. See it? And that used to protect the dam during the war. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and get into the data flows for today. For today, we have an inflow of 15,736 cubic feet per second and an outflow of 16,445. The 2 previous days before that, we had 17,251, 21,653 coming in with a 13,957 and 11,436 going out. Now for the 72-hour window that we had where Lake Powell was releasing water, we had an inflow of 41,546, 43,575, and 42,781. On each of those days, we had 7 inches of gain, 7 inches of gain, and 4 inches of gain. That's 18 inches of water that came up just within that 72-hour release. Yeah, guys. So the last time I came out here, I counted these rings. These are like intake. This is part of the intake, and there's like little teeny intake squares, okay, or you might want to call them pickups. And right now I'm counting 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And when we were down to 1,040 feet, I counted them. There was 17 of them. So 2 of them have come up. So as the water continues to rise, we will keep counting them. So remember, guys, we have 15 open channels here right now. And at the height or the low part of the water year, it was 17. So we've come up at least 2. So we'll take a look and measure that. And then right next to it is that platform down there. And that platform down over there, we're gonna actually see how much water comes up. You guys can clearly see where it's at right now. So it's just starting to touch it right now. And it says we're supposed to get 33 feet of uprise. We got about 9 so far. So we need to get another, say, 23 feet. That 23 feet should pretty much cover up all of that platform down there, but we shall see. All right, everybody. Well, that's everything I got for you guys today here from Hoover Dam, giving you the Lake Mead water report for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys liked it, please give us a thumbs up here. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button. And if you like informational videos like this one right here, hit the notification bell. That way we can send more of these videos and have the YouTube algorithm know that you like them and send them over to you. So guys, without further ado, that's it. Thank you for coming out with us today.
Thank you for coming with us, and see you again next video.
A bit.
Thank you for coming with us, guys, and I hope to see you again on our next video.
Yeah, very good. Anyways, guys, thanks again. We'll see you guys around. You guys be well. Bye now.